It's dark, y'all can't see me. Put them out here, man. About to try this taco Mamacita place. It's a taco place out here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Let's see what they got, y'all. About to try out some tacos. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
My name.
So yeah, I'm about to order my food, and then I'll be back for my next adventure. Thank you guys for coming along with me. And yeah, I'm out here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I'm about to just enjoy myself. Just came, just to get away and clear my mind, man. So yeah, so let's see what the food got to offer. Till I get back with the food, y'all. So I want something to drink? Nah, I want to drink. Okay, so this is the Nacho Mama and chicken tacos with plantain. Yeah, that's a big ass taco. I mean, talking about taco, nacho. So this is the Airbnb, guys. I'm out here. Gotta focus. It's a balcony. It's cool vibes. Down there, a little lounge area I could go chill at. It's dark out right now, so you ain't gonna really see much, but it's definitely a cool vibe out here. I'm liking it. That's the bathroom. I got my water running. About to take a shower. I just realized I had the light off, y'all. I'm sorry. But yeah, you guys, I tried Taco Mamacita. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't no mamas in Atlanta. So yeah, now I'm about to take a bath and chill out. For real, for real. I'm gonna call it a night. Thank you guys for coming with me on my trip to Chattanooga. Yeah, y'all already know what time it is. If you're new here, hey, y'all know what y'all gotta do, man. I'm sorry I ain't said it in the beginning. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Kay. You have just stepped into my life. Thank you for being here. To all my subbies, to the fam, to the squad, y'all already know what time it is. I love y'all. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for rocking with me. And y'all already know what y'all got to do. If you've been here this long, you might as well hit me with a like if you're feeling it. We at the end, so you might as well go ahead and hit me with a sub to be a part of the squad. Last but not least, leave a comment so I know you came through. Y'all already know what time it is, man. I love y'all. Till next video, we out.